Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review, along with additional details, can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. We're taking a look at the Envestnet Robo Advisor platform, exploring its features and overall user experience. Envestnet provides a comprehensive financial technology platform aimed at equipping financial advisors, institutions, and wealth managers with cutting-edge digital investment tools. This platform offers a robust solution for those looking to incorporate automated investment management into their services while retaining the crucial element of human oversight. It's particularly well-suited for financial professionals and institutions seeking to expand their reach, enhance client engagement, and provide a hybrid model that seamlessly blends automated processes with personalized financial guidance. The Envestnet Robo Advisor platform is built upon its sophisticated unified managed account technology. This allows for highly personalized portfolios, carefully crafted to align with each client's unique goals, risk tolerance, and financial timeline. A key strength of Envestnet is its smooth integration with a firm's existing technology infrastructure, simplifying the onboarding process for both advisors and their clients. The platform accommodates a wide variety of investment products, encompassing ETFs, mutual funds, and ESG-focused options, catering to a diverse range of client preferences. What distinguishes Envestnet is its dual emphasis on automation and advisor empowerment. The platform automates time-intensive tasks such as portfolio rebalancing, tax loss harvesting, and performance monitoring. Simultaneously, it provides advisors with the necessary tools to deliver personalized financial planning and comprehensive wealth management. Envestnet's analytics and reporting capabilities are particularly impressive, offering advisors detailed insights into client portfolios and facilitating more informed decision-making for firms. Envestnet offers white labeling options, enabling firms to customize the platform to match their branding and business model. Crucially, the platform ensures compliance with regulatory requirements, a vital aspect for institutions operating across different jurisdictions. Its open architecture allows for easy integration with third-party financial planning software, creating a streamlined experience for both advisors and clients. In conclusion, Envestnet presents a powerful and adaptable robo-advisor platform designed for financial institutions and advisors looking to scale their operations without sacrificing the personal touch. The platform's blend of automation, customization options, and robust analytics makes it a leading contender in the modern wealth management landscape. If you're searching for a platform to elevate your advisory services, Envestnet is definitely worth exploring. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information.